Maka zai zai, maka zai zai, maka croque croque croque, maka zai.
É funk brasileiro. Esse é o samba funk, esse é o samba funk.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed and I'm so excited today because we're going to be making the most famous Goan snack called croquettes. They're either called croquettes or croquettes depending on where you're from. These are made either out of beef or mutton and they're formed into little cylindrical shapes and they're rolled in semolina and deep fried. In Goa, you can pretty much get this anywhere and they're great with a nice cold beverage. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. These delicious croquettes are made with ground beef or mutton that has been pre-cooked, ground and formed into cylinders. In about 2 tablespoons of hot oil, I'm going to start with 2 cups of diced onion. I haven't bothered to cut the onion too fine as it's going to get processed anyway. Now I'm going to add some green chili as well. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sliced green chili. These are 2 large chilies. You can add less or more as per your preference. Saute the onion till it starts to caramelize and then add 1 pound of lean ground beef. The leaner the meat, the less the chance of breakage when you fry the croquettes later. I'm just going to break this meat up into the onion and green chili. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste. I like to grind my ginger and garlic paste fresh, but you can use store-bought if you prefer. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala. Now this is a fresh batch of Garam Masala that I just ground up. The more fragrant your Garam Masala, the better your croquettes will taste and smell. For some spice, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now let's mix this up and allow the meat to absorb all of the spices. I'm going to put a lid on this and I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes. You don't want to keep the lid on too long as it will build up too much moisture. We want this mixture to be as dry as possible. Keep working the ground beef to break up all the lumps. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and another teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to follow this with a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander and allow it to cool. Once the mixture has had a chance to cool, it's ready to grind the mixture one more time. Keep checking on the mixture. I also like to stir this so that the grind is even all the way through. It's finally getting there.
É funk brasileiro. Esse é o samba funk, esse é o samba funk. Oh.
This is the texture you're looking for. I'm going to turn this mixture out of the food processor now. Add some bread. I have 3 slices of bread here. 2 of these I've soaked in water, and I'm just going to wring out all of the water and add this to the meat. Mix this in well. I'm also going to add 1 slice of dry bread. I'm going to crumble it and mix it in. Once this is mixed in, I'm also going to add 1 whole egg. This mixture needs to be properly chilled now. This is super important to form the croquettes and ensure that they don't fall apart when they are deep fried. If you're not in a rush, you could just stick this in a container and put it in the fridge. But since I would like to make this in an hour or so, I'm going to portion these out. If you portion them out like I'm doing, it's going to help to cool these much faster. Once nice and cool, roll them between the palm of your oiled hands and create a nice cylindrical shape. My oil is heating up and I have some semolina here as well. Just dunk each croquet in the semolina and deep fry. Once done, I'm going to remove this on some kitchen towel and I'm going to allow all of that excess oil to drain. Control the temperature of your oil. If the croquet is getting too dark, turn down the heat.
Samba de parceiro. Aqui é malandragem, esquema tempo bom. É só chegar no baile, vai ver que sobe o som. Aqui é malandragem, esquema tempo bom.
I'm getting the last batch in.
Pegada de bezerra, patrão, sangue bom. Essa é o samba funk, essa é o samba funk. É o funk brasileiro, é samba de parceiro.
I'm going to allow them to cool, and this is ready to serve. Traditionally in Goa, this is served simply with some good old ketchup. Enjoy this with a nice cold beverage. Cheers. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Goan beef croquettes. There really is nothing else. These are delicious. They're easy to make. They're also really easy to make ahead, so you can make them for parties or get-togethers. Do make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and make sure that you're subscribing and also sharing my channel with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy these great recipes. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.